Hi folks, it's Matt Long here again from the Mind and Body Clinic. I'm not going to talk about hypnosis today, no. I've had a lot of people and a lot of inquiries asking about plantar fasciitis. And I've been hearing some very strange comments, whether it's hearsay or whether it's truth, I just don't know. But people have been saying that their doctor or their physiotherapist have told them there's no cure for plantar fasciitis. Well, I can tell you now that's wrong, because I have had people come in with plantar fasciitis, and sometimes in less than 2 sessions, we've managed to fix the problem. Now, it's not just what I do in the clinic that fixes the problem, but it's also what the client does at home, the homework that I give them, the stretches, the making sure you sleep properly. And when I say sleep properly, I mean the position in which you sleep, so that your feet are in the correct position and not get pushed down, which causes the plantar in the bottom of the feet to shorten, which makes it tender when you first get out of bed in the morning. Now, they've named that feeling in the morning, that when you first step on your heel, that first step, and they call it the first step or first stepping, where it's just painful to just step on your feet. Now, the techniques I use for plantar fasciitis are multiple of techniques. There's deep tissue massage therapy, big thumbs, okay, push it in, but it can be quite painful and quite sensitive. I also use something called IASTM, which stands for instrument assisted soft tissue manipulation, and we use this lovely, as someone called it, a butter knife, a metal tool made from surgical steel. And you can get right into the palm of the foot, where we can actually use friction to help break down the adhesions and get blood flow to that plantar fascia and just loosen it all off nicely. It's a lot less painful than actually using a thumb, would you believe? Along with that, then we use sports tape. This is the tape my preferred use. I don't get any sponsorship for that, but I just find it's stickier than most kinesiology tape, and it's really effective. And there's a technique we use where we actually put the foot into a 90-degree position so that it stays like that, keeping a stretch on the plantar fascia for nighttime and daytime. Insoles can help with that, with plantar fascia as well. I do have some little cushion insoles which you can just insert in your shoe, which I give away now as free as part of plantar fascia treatment. They're washable as well, so they don't get stinky, which is always great. And along with that, then, if it's a really serious problem, we can always use acupuncture needles. Okay, we can use acupuncture, and we can also use a little machine to pass electric current between the 2 needles as well. So that we get really good blood flow, endorphins, dopamines into the area to help relieve the pain and get it all healing quicker. If someone's got a particularly bad phobia against needles, of course, I'm a hypnotherapist, we can get rid of that anyway. But if it's a real problem at the time and I don't have time to do the hypnotherapy, I can use this lovely little gadget here, which is an electric pen, and with the needles, without needles, we can place that onto the area, and you can send an electric pulse through the muscle to help it heal. So plantar fascia, there is a cure. You can be fixed. It involves me as a practitioner doing the right treatment on the feet to help you, doing a proper assessment at the beginning as well. Sometimes plantar fascia can be caused by really tight calf muscles. Just cause the heel bone to rotate upwards, which pulls the plantar fascia underneath. So it's not just about what's going on with the foot, it can be what's going on with the leg as well. So we need to treat the whole, not just the symptom at the bottom. And then along with the tools, the needles, the acupuncture pen, the electroacupuncture machine, the taping, the homework, the stretches, it can be cured. So don't think there's no hope if you get told there's no cure for plantar fascia. There is. And like I say, I have had people cured just after 1 session. That was obviously a milder case. Severe cases can take longer. The only time I remember someone not actually getting cured from the treatment I gave them was because they wouldn't stop running. Running high impact, you're just going to exacerbate the problem. So you do need to rest at times as well, depending on the severity of the problem and how quick we see progress. So there you go. Plantar fascia can be fixed. If you want if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you want to book an appointment, then go to my website. At the moment, my website is mlmassage.co.uk, soon changing to the Mind and Body Clinic, and hopefully that'll be up and running soon. I'll let everyone know when it is. Thanks very much. I'm Matt Long from the Mind and Body Clinic. Cheers. Bye. Ooh.